Hi friends, welcome to my channel again with new video. Crypto news today. Pi Network launch, XRP price surge and more. Tether backed Mansa raises 10 million to transfer farm cross-border payments. A fintech company using stablecoin for cross-border payments raised 10 million in funding on Feb 20. The company secured 3 million in a pre-seed round led by Tether, the issuer of USDT, and co-led by Polymorphic Capital, with support from Octira Capital, Faculty Group, and Thrive Digital. Mansa also raised 7 million in liquidity funding from institutions including corporate investors and quantitative funds to fuel its expansion into Latin America and Southeast Asia. Mansa plans to use the 10 million to revolutionize how money moves in the fifth world. The funding will also help Mansa provide payment companies with smooth, real-time settlement infrastructure. The next news about Pi Network. Pi Queen launched with $1.7 price per token. Pi Network launched its mainnet, initially pricing token at $1.7. Following the launch at 8:30 am UTC on February 20, Pi Queen is trending at 1.50 on OKX and 1.20 on BitGet. Expert praises the innovative mobile mining approach, while the global community embraces improved security and scalability. However, investors should note that Bitcoin price remains volatile and cryptocurrency investors inherently carry risk. Pi Network launch date and time. Pi Network's open mainnet is scheduled to launch on 20 Feb 2025 at 8 am UTC, ending its enclosed mainnet phase that begin in December 2021. This pivotal moment will allow Picoin to be traded on major exchanges including OKX, BitGet, BitOr, HTX, and Bitmart, with promotional initiative like airdrops and giveaways. This transaction is expected to drive adoption and mark a crucial turning point to millions of Picoin users worldwide, boosting market confidence. Pi coin price today crash 50%. Pi Network IOU fell 42% in the past 24 hours as investor confidence went amid growing doubts about its upcoming mainnet launch on Feb 20 and persistent rumors suggesting it might be a pyramid scheme. Here the next news about XRP price surge 7% in last 24 hours. XRP is up today due to significant regulatory developments fueling investor optimism. The SEC recently acknowledged multiple XRP ETF filling by major assets managers like Wisdom Tree and Canary Capital, while Brazil approved the world first spot XRP ETF moves that could open the door for institutional investors. These actions, occurring amid ongoing legal uncertainties in Ripple SEC case, and have sparked hopes of a more favorable regulatory environment driving XRP's recent price surge. Next is World Liberty Finance buys 548k SEI tokens. World Liberty Financial, a crypto-focused platform tied to Donald Trump, has just scooped up 548k SEI tokens for $120k in USDC, according to blockchain tracker Look On Chain. The purchase made 2 hours ago is the latest in VLFI's ongoing crypto spree, following recent buys of Move and WBTC. The purchase is part of a broader strategy to diversify its crypto portfolio, which now includes significant holding across multiple tokens. Investors are keeping a close eye on its next move in the digital asset space. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon.